My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and a teaching instructor when I was at IRS. First of all, welcome to my YouTube channel, and my M&M guy and me give you a big thumbs up of listening to our short, to the point YouTube. So, why do you get audited, and what is this thing about a DIF score, and why is the DIF score, DIF, really important? IRS has to find a way of computerizing what tax returns have to be audited and what shouldn't be audited. Well, they can't do that manually. They probably started out doing that ages ago by manually looking through reports. But during the computer age, IRS found ways to go ahead and audit people's tax return. Back in 1956, over 5% of the Americans got audited. Today, that's only kind of 0.4% actually. But the DIF score drives most of these audits. So what is the DIF and what does it stand for? The DIF score simply means the discriminatory index function. Every tax returns get scored and graded, and in the old days they used to put a sticker on the back of your tax return saying what's your DIF score. Well, the person with the highest DIF score, they went in for IRS audit. So how's that process work? The IRS goes ahead and punches in and key codes in all the information on your tax return by the line item that it is. 56 may be this, 73 may be this, 4 may be this. Well, what IRS does, it scans the return and those numbers, and they find out what the national average is for that tax return. They do it by income, by expenses, by zip code, and boom, if you're falling out of the national averages, boom, they're going to audit your return. So what happens if you're just high in just one area? Is the IRS going to look at that? Probably not. IRS looks at the whole tax return. So let's say you have to have 100 bad red flag points. That is, the algorithm said, hey, you were 20 points high here, 9 points high here, 30 points high. They may have, the IRS, depending on how many audits they want to do for a given year, they may want to have an algorithm score of 100 points. So if you are over that 100 points, your tax return is going to be audited. So IRS basically, through the DIF score, has a series of algorithms that actually scans and grades your tax return. If you have any questions, you can always hit me up. Thank you for listening. Me and my M&M guy always say thanks.